Welcome back to Creative Electron. In this video, we're going to take a look at X-ray inspection of through-hole vias or THVs. It's a big problem, and the major concern we have is how to properly fill the barrel. Because you have a through-hole component going through your PCB, and you got to make sure that solder has a nice fillet both on the top and on the bottom of the board. To really do a good job X-ray inspecting THV. Just a straight shot from the top doesn't really work well because you can't really see the volume of the barrel. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the TruView Prime here and a sample rotation fixture that's going to allow us to get a side angle view of the barrel or the via to determine how much solder is inside the barrel. So as you can see here, the sample rotation fixture allows us to rotate the sample 360 degrees to get to that right perfect angle to inspect the barrel. Now let's see what the X-ray images look like. All right, now we open the TruView inspection software to analyze the image that we took with that sample. And as you can see here, some of these barrels are actually in pretty bad shape. This one specifically, there's no fill on the bottom of the board, and half the barrel is actually empty. There's no solder there. So definitely a defect. And of course, the defect can be more serious or not, depending on which class of products you are assembling. This is one example of a good THV assembly with plenty of fillet on the bottom and the barrel completely full. And there's a couple of examples that really tell you why you need X-rays to look at THVs. In both cases, the fillet is completely full on the bottom of the board, so if you just do a visual inspection, these barrels will look absolutely perfect. However, they are empty inside, as you can see in both examples. Thanks for watching. This was one of many application videos we have here on our website. Make sure you check them all out. Thanks.
Play what you want.